Hello kids, good morning. Welcome to the English class. Today I am going to teach you small cursive letter U. U for ugly, umbrella, underwear, unhappy, underground, upset, underwater, under. So let's start. Before doing work, you write the date 6/1/2022. In copy also you same write the date and start the work. Capital letter U, small letter U and small cursive letter U, and the phonetic sound says umbrella, on. So now I will tell you how to write the small cursive letter U. Here 3 steps are given. Step 1, step 2 and this is step 3. So let's start in this book. Start from here as usual, from basic line, go slanting up like this and take a turn here to upwards and come down and again upwards like this. Start from this basic line, go slanting up, touch the upper middle line and come down to the basic line, take a turn here, again go upwards, touch the upper middle line and come down again in the same way and take a turn to the upwards. Again kids, watch it carefully, simple. Go slanting up, touch the upper middle line and come down, take turn here towards upwards, touch the upper middle line and come again in the same line, touch the basic line and go upside little bit like this. So you do the practice of this U letter in this infinity book in both pages, in page number 72 and 73. And next, this is a picture of umbrella, U for umbrella. And here in this page number 73, write the letter U and complete the word. It's a unicorn. So you write here U for unicorn. And here again color the picture starting from the letter U. It's a pup, P. And this is bull, B, B. And this is urn, U. So you color this picture. And after doing these both pages, send pics to your respective class teachers, and those students who don't have this book, write in this copy, do the practice of it. Start from this basic line, go up and come down to the basic line and go up and come down again to the basic line and turn little bit upside like this. So kids, you do the practice of this letter. And after that, after completing this and do the practice of all these small cursive letters from A to U. Write small cursive letters from A to U. You write in your copy from A letter to U letter, and whenever you write, do the say the phonetic sound and write A, apple, B, ball, K, cat, D, dog, egg, fish, G, gun, horse, E, ink pot, J, jeep, K, kangaroo, L, lollipop, M, man, N, nurse, A, owl, P, peacock, Q, queen, R, rabbit, sun, T, tiger, A, umbrella. So you all write these letters and send pics to your respective class teachers. Take care kids. Have a nice day.